To a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Microsoft Teams. So this is so easy. So you first start with the activity. The activity shows the missed calls and the things that you have done, like the things that you have missed from people. And you can find your contacts. You can easily link them and call them. It's really easy, guys. You just add a contact and then you type a name or a number, or you can just add their email as well. There's an option like that. You can click on your profile to see your profile. It's my school email, so that's how I got the membership. I think it's not free for everyone. You can manage your account, teams for personal use. Like you can change your bank background, like your about me section and your logo. You can click on chat to chat with your friends. You can also open a chat. You can click here and you can start a new chat, adding your friends, adding your teachers, or adding your colleagues if you're using for a good deed. And let's make this full screen. You can click here and find the people, like let's say this one. So you can just like search things up. This is easy. So let's click on teams. This is the classes that I'm taking right now. Like these are the teams that I can easily like reach. Like you can add your teams. Let's say you're working in a company and there's like different teams. Like there's a marketing team, there's a financial team, and you want to connect with them. You can like easily click on them and you can easily make a meeting, or you can call them. There's the assignment section where you can do your assignments, like you can assign yourself tasks that you have to do, and you can easily do these. Or if you're the instructor or like the leader of a company, you can like do this and assign people. You can add calendars, you can add a new meeting, and you can type it up. My new meeting, and you can add the location channel. You can use this as like Google Calendars. You can add a channel and you can easily do it. So that's basically it. Um, you can meet now. You can click here and it will automatically meet now. You can join with an ID, but you need to know the meeting ID. So this has to be like sent by someone else. You can press calls and call people. There's a file section where you can easily like share files with people, and it will automatically um, show you that the files are here. Let's say you sent it in a group chat and it will automatically pop up here. So you can click on the three dots and like use the other extensions that you want. There's the apps section where you can use apps while using Microsoft Teams. Like you can use this as a Microsoft like whiteboard. You can like easily link it. You can use forums. You can use like everything. So Microsoft is doing great. Yeah. So let's search things up. Let's search up Minecraft. See, there's nothing. You can like easily use the search bar to find things, and you can press help and ask the community about problems, and it will automatically go to Microsoft Online, and you can get your answer. You can get your question answered. So that's basically it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll reply to the questions that you guys have. Yeah, and thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video.